We would like to introduce you to the Driver CPC courses that are available from the National Logistics Training Consortium, perhaps better known as Nltc. We offer these to members as an approved DVSA Driver CPC consortium. Members can provide Driver CPC in two ways. These are either as a standalone Driver CPC course, which we have a large number of 3.5-hour modules, covering a wide range of subjects such as driver's hours, vulnerable road users, and health and safety, to name a small selection. Or, Driver CPC can be added when members deliver our own qualifications, such as Transport Manager CPC or First Aid at Work. Again, to name a small selection. All of our materials have been designed and developed by industry professionals, making them interesting, engaging, and easily capable of achieving each learning outcome. The materials are available to members for download from the members' website. This gives us the ability to regularly update and refresh the materials in order to keep them fresh, current, and correct. These are examples of some of the slides which are provided during the Driver's Hours course. The first slide introduces the subject, and then we would expect the teacher to provide instruction on that subject. In order to help with this, the slides show prompts for the teacher, not excessive levels of text, which can leave the teacher with very little to add. Again, in order to assist the teacher in presenter view, we include full instructor notes. A number of the slides have built-in animations to enhance teaching. In order to ensure that this achieves the desired learning outcome, we also include question and answer sessions within the materials, and practical exercises, tests, and quizzes, which can be downloaded from the members' database for use during the course. Of course, you don't have to use these, but it does achieve a very professional level of training if you do. The standalone 3.5-hour Driver CPC modules include company and public image, driver's hours, economical driving, fire marshal, health and safety, emergency aid for drivers, license, weights and dimensions, security, tachograph, tiredness, diet and lifestyle, vehicle checks, and vulnerable road users. As well as the standalone Driver CPC modules, we also have Driver CPC attached to our other qualifications and approvals. These include up to 28 hours being available during ADR dangerous goods training. A full 35 hours can be achieved during the Transport Manager CPC course, with 14 hours being available during refresher courses. 21 hours can be added during our First Aid qualification. 14 hours can be added during the refresher course, and 7 hours during Emergency First Aid at Work. Our Level 2 Driver Assessor qualification is approved for 21 hours of Driver CPC, which includes 7 hours carrying out assessment in the vehicle, and 14 hours either remotely or in the classroom. Our Operator License Awareness qualification, otherwise known as OLAT, is approved for 7 hours of Driver CPC. And our PDP, Petroleum Driver Passport, is approved for 7 hours of Driver CPC. In order to apply this though, you must carry out a full classroom course of 3.5 hours, followed by 3.5 hours in the vehicle. In order to maintain our high level of quality, we have an instructor program for Driver CPC trainers, called RADAT, which is the Register of Approved Driver Assessors and Trainers. This has been developed by experts within the logistics and training industries, and is recognized by DVSA. Combining the standard of the materials with the skills of the teachers provides the highest possible level of quality to candidates undertaking these Driver CPC courses. As a result, the candidates undertaking the courses will achieve the desired learning outcome and leave the course having obtained the necessary level of knowledge. As well as the courses we have listed in this film, we also have the National Driver CPC courses and the Return to Driving CPC course available to members. Hopefully we have demonstrated the high level of quality combined with the large variety of courses, which Nltc centers are able to offer to their clients. If you would be interested in becoming an Nltc center, please visit our website, nltc.co.uk.